Butler Sanskritam.
No.
Yeah, he's doing a lot of homework.
Ada Shyam Mahabhaganam Prashnah. Computer ityasya samskrute nama kim?
Computer
इत्यस्य यंत्रस्य संस्कृते नाम किम? संस्कृते किम नाम?
What do you call computer in Sanskrit?
उत्तमम्.
What do you call it? Is there a name for that?
अस्ति.
Dura.
गणक यंत्रम.
Okay, computer. Okay.
I was thinking about it, but Ganakayantra can be calculator also.
The extension of calculator is computer, right? Computer was
Yeah.
created only to calculate a very higher number.
That's right.
So we are using it in different purpose. Anyeshu karyeshu asmabhihi एतस्य कार्यं स्वीक्रियते, सेवां स्वीक्रियते, परन्तु तस्य मौलिक धर्मं तु गणनमेव.
So Sanskritena computer namasya Ganakayantram. Is that right?
Yes, उत्तमम्. अन्यः प्रश्नः. इंटरनेट इत्यस्य संस्कृते नाम किम्? अस्ति. इंटरनेट इत्यस्य संस्कृते नाम किम्?
Wow.
सरलम्. इंटरनेट अंतर्जालम्.
Jalam net.
Inter is antar.
Jalam is net.
Antarjalam is like what we used to do with the
web.
No, with the bangarams, right? With the tops.
Antarjalam. Jalam is net actually.
Jalam.
Jalam is net. Antarjalam is internet.
Yeah.
Antarangam.
Is inside.
Inside. That is Antarjalam. The jala which goes inside.
So we learned that when we were kids.
Antarjalam. Uttamam. Antarjalam. Antarjala sahayena kakshya prachalati. Antarjala sahayena kakshya prachalati. Sarvatra Antarjala sahayena karyani prachalanti. बहुवचनम कार्याणि प्रचलन्ति. इदानीं नारायणपाई महाभागानां कृते प्रश्नः. सामान्यमेव एतत् क्रीडा, भाषायाः क्रीडा.
He is the topper of our class.
Okay. किं वा वाटर ग्लास इत्यस्य संस्कृत शब्दम? जलचषकः और चषकम. उत्तमम. जलचषकम. उत्तमम. What is a plate? Plate इत्यस्य संस्कृत नामं किं? Plate.
Stalika. No.
उच्यताम्.
Stalika.
Sthali or Stalika. Sthali is a plate. Sthala, place thing. We place things, so it is plate. Na plate is to place things.
So that became thali in Hindi.
That become thali in Hindi. What people kim te dasyanti thalyam? Rotika vartate. Soupam vartate. What is rotika?
Bread.
Roti.
Bhaksham.
Rotika is roti.
Bhaksham.
Bhaksham is, what is bhaksham? I told you. Kim bhaksham nama?
You can eat.
Gashana padartha. You can bite.
Yeah, bite.
Rotika. Okay. Soupam. What is soupam? Soupam ityasya?
Soup.
Pappu.
Soup.
Pappu. Kadam vartate? Soupam. Like soup iva vartate. Tasmad is soup ityuchyante.
And lehyam.
Lehyam.
Like chutney.
Chutney. Very good. Lehyam. Okay, sthalyam kim bhojana padarthaः bhavanti? Narayan Pai Mahabhaga uchyatam. Sthalyam bhojana padarthaः ke bhavanti?
Salyam, rotika,
Annam.
annam,
Mhm.
anya bhaksham.
Bhakshya padartha.
Yeah.
Supam.
Supam, okay.
Hmm.
Supam, yeah.
Api.
Api vartate, okay.
Apupam.
Apupam.
Apupam ityasya arisa iti vadanti in Telugu bhashayam. Madhura padartha arisa apupam.
What is the name for Puri?
Purnam.
Purnam.
Purnikam. Purnika. Dosha is doshakam. Dvishakam. Why it is called as dvishakam? Why dosha is dosha? 2 times it sounds shh. That's why it is dosha. Seriously, why are you laughing? In 17th century, there was a book called Shivatattva Ratnakara, in which it is clearly described Puri becomes Purnam, it bloats round, so it is called as Purnam,
Purnam.
Purnikam, Purnakam. Okay? And dosha, it is actually 2 times sounds shh, it seems. First time and second time. So it is called as Dvishakam. We are called as Dvishaka dosha. Uttamam. So okay. Sthalyam, annam,
Annam, rotikam,
rotika,
Bhaksham.
bhakshyam,
supam,
supaha,
Lehyam.
lehyam, uttamam,
Dadhi.
Purnam.
dadhi, uttamam, dadhi, samahara padartha. Samahara padartha nama?
Equivalent.
No,
Side dishes.
no. Samahara padartha, sambar. I told you about sambar, na, one day. Every Tuesday, it is called as Mangala Vasara. On Tuesday, Mars, Mangala Graha affects on Earth, Bhumi. It affects on what materials? The materials which are inside the Earth, like iron, copper, zinc, etc. All the metals will be more attracted towards Mars on Tuesday. That's why all barber shops are closed on Tuesday, because it will not be controlled by human beings. It may be miscontrolled sometimes. That's why if there is any blade doing shaving, if it is miscontrolled, something may happen. That's why entire Tuesday is closed. Barber shops are closed. Okay, if barber shop blade he uses, so we can close it. How to control knives at home? Mother will obviously cook. She need to use the blades and knives to cut the vegetables. How to control it? That's the reason in ancient time, on Tuesdays, food is only raw vegetables, cooked food, like boiled food, not cutting food. They never used to cut vegetables. In sambar, you don't need any vegetables to be cut. You can just break it and just drop it in it, like bendi, anything. If there is any aloo or brinjal, yes, you can just dump it like that. You don't need to cut them. That's why samaharam is a mixture of all the vegetables boiled together and used in a plate. It's called as samahara padartha. Samaharam is a combination of all the vegetables. Nowadays, we made it into stylish sambar. So the real word of sambar is
Samahara padartha.
samahara. Samaharam. Okay. Samaharam vartate. Again, sthalyam kim vartate Narayan Pai Mahabhaga? Annam.
annam, rotikam,
Rotika.
rotika.
If it is Dvitiya Vibhakti, then rotikam dadatu. Give me rotika.
Okay.
Or rotikam swikarotu. Take this rotika. To tell about the rotika is 2. Then it comes to Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Yeah.
Okay. Annam.
Annam.
Napumsakalingam. Rotika. Strilingam.
Yeah.
लेह्यम नपुंसकलिंगम,
samahara,
समाहारः और समाहार पदार्थः उत्तमम्। अपूपः, अपूपः मधुर पदार्थः,
yeah,
मधुर पदार्थस्य उदाहरणं
मोदकं
मोदकं, लड्डुकं।
Mysore pak.
वसुधा माता स्माइलिंग। मोदकं, लड्डुकं इत्यादिकम्। ओके, अन्यत् दत्तमहाभागेन उक्तं दधि, दधि, अपि च
Dadi means you curd.
yes, दधि is curd. Okay, what if it is buttermilk?
takram,
Takram, takram means buttermilk. Takram. Takram. Another word, choshyam. Choshyam is
That you can
squeeze inside.
slurp.
That is sambar or rasam or pulusu, etc. Choshyam. Okay. Sthalyam vartante jalachashakena saha. Jalakumbham. Previously, people used to keep a pot, small pot, when they eat. You know where they keep their pot? Kutra sthapayanti jalachashakam jalakumbham.
Left.
Right side.
Kutra?
पाकशाला
पाकशालायां गरिष्ठ जलकुंभम। भोजन स्थले लघु जलकुंभम। लघु इज
small,
महत
लार्ज
बिग, महत बिग। ओके, कुत्र स्थापयन्ति भोजन समये जलचषकं? जलचषकं वर्तते एतत् मम दक्षिणहस्तः। दक्षिणहस्तः नाम
Vamahasta.
वामहस्तः। उत्तमं, दक्षिणहस्तः वामहस्तः। जलपात्रं कुत्र स्थापनीयं भोजन समये?
Vamahasta.
Dakshinasta.
वामपक्षः
Vamapaksha.
दक्षिण भागे स्थापनीयं।
Right side.
वामभागेन स्थापयति।
यदि वामभागे जलचषकं वर्तते उच्यन्ते तत् सुरासमा। सुरा नाम सुरासमम्।
Why? Because you eat with right hand. How can you touch with that then?
उत्तमम्, उत्तमः प्रश्नः। यदा भवान् जलार्थं जलम् आवश्यकं भवतः कृते भोजनमध्ये, भवतः वामहस्तः दक्षिणतः गत्वा तत् स्वीकृत्य जलं पीत्वा पुनः तत्र स्थापनीयम्।
So is that to get exercise?
एतत् विधौ यद् मया अस्माभिः भक्ष्यते तत् स्थिरो भवति। वामभागे कदापि न स्थाप्यम्। अन्यद् प्राचीनकाले ब्राह्मणभोजनविधौ, प्राचीनकाले ब्राह्मणभोजनविधौ ब्राह्मणाः वामहस्तं न उपयुज्यन्ते, न उपयोज्यं। निरोधः, वामभागहस्तस्य निरोधः। दक्षिणभागेन भोक्तव्यं, दक्षिणहस्तेन भोक्तव्यं, दक्षिणहस्तेनैव जलपानं कर्तव्यं, दक्षिणभागे एव स्थाप्यम्। किमर्थं? वामहस्त प्रतिषेधः। अन्नं परब्रह्म स्वरूपम्। भगवतः पूजा, भगवद आराधना दक्षिण भागेन एव क्रियते। शरीरे परमात्मा वर्तते, भोजनमपि परमात्मा एव। तत् परमात्मा स्वरूप जलमपि दक्षिणहस्तेन एव पूजनीय विधौ स्पृशा कर्तव्यं, स्पर्शा कर्तव्यं। Hope you understand my point?
yeah,
Yeah.
That's why people used to eat only with right hand and left, right hand drinking only. Even if it is with a food hand, anna hastena, supa hastena, bhavato, only right hand. Adhunika kale tad vidhihi niruddha, left over. Idanintana kale जलचषकं दक्षिण भागे वर्तते। अस्माभिः किंचित दक्षिण भागे किंचित गत्वा जलकुंभम् आनीय वामहस्तेन पीत्वा दक्षिणभागे स्थापितव्यम्. So from now, whenever you eat, try to make your water glass or pot or anything keep to the right side. Just what happens if we keep it left side? Kim bhavishyati? किमपि न भविष्यति, परन्तु अस्माकं संस्कृतिः अतिक्षीयते. यदि अस्माभिः एतत् प्रयुज्यते, अस्मत् पुत्राः अस्मत् बन्धवः पश्यन्ति, तेपि जानन्ति, तेपि एवमेव अनुसरन्ति. ओके. भोजनानन्तरं नारायणपाय महाभागः किं क्रियते? आलोचनं कृत्वा उच्यताम्.
भोजनानन्तरं किञ्चित् समयं विश्रान्तिं
भोजनस्य अतीव अनन्तरे
Wash your hands.
इतः पूर्वं हस्तप्रक्षालनात् पूर्वं किं क्रियते?
पायसं खादति maybe.
ओके. पायसभक्ष्यानन्तरं हस्तप्रक्षालनात् पूर्वं किं क्रियते?
जलं पिबति.
ओके. जलपानात् पूर्वं हस्तप्रक्षालनात् पूर्वं पायसभक्ष्यानन्तरं किं क्रियते?
Narayan Pay's homework. I should not do it.
No, everyone will do. Even will do. You will do. Lakshmareddy Mahodaya api karoti. Kim kriyate? Vijrumbate. Hey, Vijrumbhana, na? That is called as Vijrumbhanam. I told you about 10 types of airs. Do you remember?
Yes.
In which this is one of the important air. It indicates that your stomach is exactly full. So, Vijrumbhate. Vijrumbhananantaram kim kriyate? Punah bhojyate. Punah bhojyate va Narayanapaya Mahabhaga? Vijrumbhana anantaram kim kriyate bhavata?
Jalam pibati.
Jalam pibati. Anantaram?
हस्तं क्षालयामि.
हस्तं प्रक्षालयति. अनन्तरं
उत्तिष्ठ.
ताम्बूलं खादति.
ताम्बूलं
खादति.
तिष्ठति.
उत्तिष्ठति. किञ्चित् चलति. उत्तमम्. अथ प्रश्नः भिक्षपति महोदयानां कृते. प्रश्नः. भवान् कार्यालयं कथं गच्छन्ति?
Kadam means?
How are you?
How?
Oh, kadam. Oh.
Vahanam.
Aham karyalayam vahanam gacchami.
Vahanam to the vehicle. On the vehicle, Saptami.
Vahanena.
Vahanena gacchami. Okay, Tritiya vibhakti. Kim vahanam?
कार्यान.
द्विचक्रिका, चतुश्चक्रिका, षट्चक्रिका.
चतुश्चक्रिका.
चतुश्चक्रिकायां कार्यालयं गच्छामि. Repeat after me.
Aham
चतुश्चक्रिकायां.
चतुश्चक्रिया वाहनायां.
चतुश्चक्रिकायां. ओके. चतुश्चक्रवाहने. चतुश्चक्रवाहने. चतुश्चक्रवाहने कार्यालयं गच्छामि. चतुश्चक्रवाहने
कार्यालयं गच्छामि.
उत्तमम् उत्तमम् उत्तमम्.
चतुश्चक्रवाहने
कार्यालयं गच्छामि. किम अद्य अल्पाहारं कृतं भवता?
गच्छ.
किम भवान अल्पाहारं कृतं? I think his connection is not good.
Yeah, for me, I think there is some problem.
Okay,
Internet,
okay,
yeah.
no problem. No
Now
problem.
I think
No problem. Tell me when you get a connection. Adha.
yeah, I think now it's coming. It has come now. It has come
Okay.
now.
Your video is off, Bhikshava.
Yeah, video
Yeah.
is on.
Yeah.
Now it's on.
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
it's on.
yeah.
किम
Yeah, it was,
भवता किम अल्पाहारं स्वीकृतं भवता? किम अल्पाहारं भवता स्वीकृतं?
This is actually night time for us, so dinner.
Okay, tell me about the morning breakfast.
Oh, morning. Pratha Kala, right?
There are three things, remember. Ekam alpaharam,
Ekam alpaharam.
less food. Bhojanam.
Yes.
Tritiyam upaharam.
Upaharam.
Upaharam is close to lunch. It is not like completely less food, alpaharam, but it is more than alpam, but not bigger than, not equal to bhojanam. Like similar to bhojanam. Upaharam.
Alpaharam.
Alpahare.
Alpahare.
In the alpahara, saptami vibhakti.
In alpahare.
Mm-hmm.
Disham. You said dosa.
Dosha only, no problem.
Dosha.
Doshakam svikrutam. Doshakam bhuktam.
Doshakam bhuktam.
Lehya sahitam va, samahara sahitam va.
Lehya sahitam.
Lehya sahita doshakam svikrutam.
Lehya sahita doshakam.
अस्माकं कृते समाहारः अतिरुचिता वर्तते, रुच्यते.
फोटो से करना है अभी.
ओके, उत्तमम्. इदानीं लक्ष्मारेड्डी महाभाग, भवतः कृते कः भवति समाधानपतिः? भवतः मातृस्थलं किं? मातृभूमिः, मातृग्रामः किं वर्तते?
मम मातृग्रामं
ग्रामः
चिंतपल्ली नाम ग्रामं.
उत्तमम्.
मिर्यालगूडा मंडलं. मिर्यालगूडा नल्लगुंड जिल्ला.
See, I can see the glow in your face when you tell about your motherland, you know.
तेलंगाना राष्ट्रे
राष्ट्रम. Telangana Rashtra, Bharata Deshaha. Once again, Chintapalli Gramaha.
Chintapalli Gramaha, Miryalaguda Mandalaha. Mandalaha. Nallagunda Jillaha.
Nallagunda Prantaha.
Telangana Rashtraha.
Telangana Rashtraha. Rastram.
Telangana
Rastram.
Bharata Desha.
Bharata Desha. Uttamam. Lakshmareddy Mahabhaganam Pituhu Nama Kim?
Mama Pituhu Namam.
Nama.
Bhiksha Reddy. Sri Bhiksha Reddy.
Bhiksha Reddy iti. I'll tell you a shloka. Repeat after me. Atmanama. Gurornama. Nama atikrupanasya cha. Shreyas kamo na grihniyat. Jeshtapatya. Kalatrayoh. If you are seeking, if you are a well-wisher of people, you should not tell the name directly of few people. Who are they? Atmanama, name of self. Guror Nama. What is Guru?
Yes,
Teacher.
teacher or father.
Hmm.
Okay, teacher or father, both are considered as guru. Atma nama, guror nama. Nama atikrupanasya cha. Krupana means people who show a lot of miser things is as krupana, miser person, or person who shows lot of glory on us, like lot of care on us, like great well-wishers, teachers, etc. And Jeshta Apatya, elder progeny. What is elder progeny? Elder son. Kalatra,
Wife.
wife. First one, self,
Father.
father or teacher,
Well-wishers.
well-wishers,
Son.
son, elder son,
Elder son.
and wife.
And wife.
These people's name, these names should not tell directly. In ancient times, if anyone asks, what is your name? I should tell, Mama Nama Raghurama Iti. What is that Iti? People used to call me Raghuram. It's not like I am Raghuram. There is no ego in it. There is ego in it. If I say my name, I'm Shyam, I'm Lakshma Reddy. There is a little ego in it. If you say that, people will call me Lakshma Reddy, people will call me Bhikshapati, people will tell me as Narayana. Like, you should tell your name as if you are a well-wisher of these 5 people. You should not tell your name directly. If anyone asks, what is your father's name to me? I should tell, Mama Pituhu Nama Sita Rama Sharman Iti. Iti should come. Iti means?
Is.
Like, people used to call him. I am not calling him as Sitaram. I don't tell his name Sitaram. It is Amaryada. People used to call him as Sitaram. So then many people will come in that, elders, youngers, everyone will appreciate it. It does good to him in the name of Ashirvachana. So when you tell your name, your fathers, teachers, elder son and wife should never tell directly. Should add
Iti.
Iti.
now. Lakshma Reddy Mahabhaganam Pituhu Nama Kim?
Mama Pituhu Nama Vikshareddy Iti.
Iti Uttama Matuhu Bhavataha Matuhu Nama Kim?
Mama Matuhu Nama Ahalya Iti.
Ahalya Nama. Ahalya Nama Kutra Agachati? Itihas Samskriti Samskrutau in Indian culture. Ahalya Nama Kutra Agachati?
From where it came.
Ramayane agacchati.
Ramayane Agachati. Uttama Nama. Uttama Nama. Bhavan Janati Ahalyayaha Putraha Ke. Kati Putraha Ahalyayaha. Bhavataha Matuhu Kati Putraha. Bhavan Kati Sodaraha.
Mama Ekaha Sodara.
Ekaha Sodaraha.
Sodara.
Sodari.
Dvisodari.
Dvau Sodaryav.
Dau Sodari.
Vau Dvachanam.
Wow.
Ramayane Ahalyayaha Putraha Ke. Ke Jananti. Kaha Bhavati Samadhanapatihi.
हम ना जानती.
Narayan Bhai Mahabhaga Jananti Kalu.
No, aham na janami.
Ahalyayaha Putraha.
Christian.
Google Madhye Madrushi Pasyandu. Ram Mahabhaga Drishyante.
Date of birth means available.
Vali Sugrivav.
ఉన్న వాళ్ళని ఎట్లా వెతకాలి?
Vali Sugrivav. Ahalyayaha Putrav.
ఎవరిది కావాలి?
Anjali Ahalyayaha Putri.
అలా ఉండదమ్మా, నీకు ఎవరిది కావాలి?
Anjani. Nama Vali Sugrivav Ahalyayaha Putrav.
Pali and Sugriv. Okay. Interesting.
Indrasya krupaya Ahalyayah krute Valihi jataha. Vali ityasya arthaha kim? Vali. Valam nama? Valam. Valam. Tail.
Tail, okay.
मस्तिष्के स्थापयन्तु वालं नाम ज्ञापकं कुर्वन्तु वालं नाम टेल यस्य बुद्धिः वाले अस्ति वाल्याम् अस्ति सः वाली What it
Acharya ji,
means?
Google says it's actually Satananda, her Ahalya's son, Sage Gautama and Ahalya.
There are many, but these are the children of Ahalya.
This Ahalya is different.
No, same Ahalya.
Oh,
Okay, so whose brain is Valam is called as Vali. What it means?
who can memorize?
No, he don't think properly.
Oh,
His brain always follows. He will not follow the brain. Generally, what we all do, we all will follow the brain. Na? We all follow the decision. But his brain follows him. So he is a step behind. His brother he is a blessing of Surya Bhagavan. He is named as Sugrivaha, whose brain is in his brain, whose brain is in his skull, good in his face, good Sugrivaha. Griva is a face, Sugrivaha, good face, who got good brain.
these were all Vanaras, right?
Yeah, Vanara, so what? In those times, Vanaras also great, na? They learned all the Shastras, they learned all the things. Hanuman learned Navavyakarana Panditaha, all 9 types of grammar. Aindras Chandra, Kashakritsnaha, Apishali, Shakatayanaha, Panin, Yamara, Jaineन्द्राः. There are 9 people who wrote grammar. He learned everything.
Evolution-wise, we all came from monkeys.
So
So,
Ahalya was also a Vanara, or?
Ahalya was a lady. One day, these 3 people are doing some mischievous things. Who? Vali, Sugriva, and Anjani. So they got angry. Who? Gautama got angry and cursed everybody. That you are doing all notorious things like monkey, look like monkey. Why are you looking like human beings? So the 3 people turned into monkey-faced people.
So they actually were born as humans.
So
Nara.
they born as humans, they just turned into monkeys. Even though like they are the children of Maharshi, they got good brain, they got good physical personality. So slowly they were adopted as a king of monkey kingdom.
So Hanuman is actually he's related to Vali and Sugriva?
No, he is a son of Anjani Devi, who is the daughter of Ahalya. He born as a human boy because he's a Vayuputra, son of Kesari.
So
One day he
he's
went
related
to have
them.
the what we can say sun. He had it almost. Due to the heat of the sun, his mouth bloat.
Yeah.
That's why
Very
we can
fine.
see him as monkey.
If Anjani is the sister of Vali, then he's the uncle of Vali is uncle of Hanuman.
Yes,
Oh,
Mama.
that's new information for me.
In 2015, I wrote a drama called Shri Anjaneyam. It is of 1200 pages script, almost 3 movies script. It started in Ravindra Bharati 2015 to February 22nd. Action started at morning 9 o'clock. Action. First scenes, action. Evening 9 o'clock, cut. So from morning 9 o'clock to evening 9 o'clock, the continuous drama is going on without cut. So for that, I did a lot of research on Hanuman. So these are the things came out in that process. So
Wow.
that's why we don't get all this information in Google also. Okay. So Vali Sugriva completed. Done. Now actually, I'll conclude about the questioning concepts here. I think Vasudha Mata, I did not question you.
That's
But
okay.
you might be feeling very happy and thankful. Okay. I want to tell you something today which is very important. You already practiced. Again, the practice is required. So that's why I'm just repeating it again. I saw your homework. Everyone just submitting their homework. It's very fantastic. Fabulous job. If anyone looks at these things, they don't think like you people are new to Sanskritam. But only one flaw I observed is Vibhakti Lopa. We don't know in which context we are using it.
Abhyasa lopa.
No. Abhyasa, we do it because it is unlimited. It's like time bound. No time bound. We just go on continuing it. The problem is we are unable to find out the vibhaktis. When we used to use Dvitiya Vibhakti, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Shashti, Saptami. If we just identify exact situations, you can add that. Okay. So that's what I wanted to tell you today. So
One of the problems is we are thinking in English and trying to translate it in Sanskrit. But English, the language structure is different from Sanskrit,
Yeah.
and that causes some problem.
that's okay, Swami. My intention is if we will just know what actually these are, like how the situations are, like what is Dvitiya Vibhakti, Tritiya, Chaturthi.
Yeah.
If if we practice again, next time you don't repeat in this week. You don't repeat the mistake in this week. That's what I want to tell you. Okay. Able to see some screen, Swami?
Yes.
Yes.
Blank screen.
Okay. Okay. Dvitiya. Okay. What is Dvitiya Vibhakti?
Two or two words.
Yes, two or two words. For example, if it is Akaranta Shabda Rama, it becomes
Ramam.
Uttama. Now, someone asked the doubt also, how to use this Itsanya?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll show you a screen board also.
Acharya ji, is it Itsanya or Ipsanya?
Itta Takara.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not getting a keyboard. Okay. I'll show the keyboard also, but let me practice this. Ramam. Okay, if it is Krishna.
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 Okay, Krishnam. Krishnam.
Krishna.
Okay. If it is Sita,
Sita
is a Strilinga Shabda. What we should say as Sita?
Sita.
Sitam.
It is Sitam. Okay. What if it is Ganga?
Gangam.
Gangam. Okay. Sitam Dadami. I'm giving to Sita. Sitam Pruchhami. I'm asking to Sita. Gangam Gachami. I'm going to
Towards
Ganga.
Ganga.
Okay. Okay. So please remember, if it is Sitam. Okay. Gangam. Right. Next, Nadim. Nadis, Nadim. Fine. Now, about Tritiya Vibhakti.
Is
So,
for.
when we use Tritiya Vibhakti?
For, right? For.
By
Yeah.
with. By.
By or with.
By or?
With.
With. Fantastic. Okay, Tritiya Vibhakti. What is
Ramena.
Rama Tritiya Vibhakti?
Ramena.
Ramena.
Form some sentences. Ramena saha gacchami. Ramena saha kridami. Krishnena saha sambhashanam karomi.
Rama Krishnena Sambhashanam Karomi.
Oh, Ramaha Krishnena sambhashanam karoti.
Karoti.
the person who is talking should be to whom you are talking about should be always in Prathama Vibhakti.
Okay.
Ramaha gacchati, Ramaha karoti, Ramaha likhati, Ramaha bhashanam karoti. Ramaha kena saha, by whom? Krishnena.
Krishna. Okay.
भार्यया संभाषणं करोति, लक्ष्मणेन संभाषणं करोति, पित्रा भोजनं करोति, मात्रा शयनं करोति. So the other person by whom
I
they are
think the
doing, they will be in
difficulty-
Tritiya.
I think in English, these are separated, right? The prepositions are separated, but here it's all combined.
No, Rama is talking
To Krishna,
with also, na?
with or to,
Okay, with
but
also
in
there.
this
So this
case,
is important.
it is basically combined, that Krishna, so,
So there is no confusion here.
yeah.
Okay, I am going with my dad. Pitra saha gacchami. Pitrena saha gacchami. Aham Ramaha Pitrena saha gacchati. If Rama instead of Rama, if you are there, you are going with your father. Ramaha Pitrena saha gacchati.
Aham mama pitrena.
Pitrena saha bhojanam karomi. So Ramena. What is Krishna then?
Krishnena.
Okay. Krishnena. Okay. What is about? There is a person called Vidyadhara.
Vidyadharena.
Vidyadhara. Excellent. If a person is called Valmiki.
Ikara.
Valmikiya.
Hari Shabda. What Hari Shabda?
Yeah,
Hariya.
Hari Shabda Tritiya Vibhakti.
Haryena.
No, Hariya.
Harina.
Uttama.
Hari.
Harina. What is
Valmiki.
Guru Shabda?
Guruna.
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 Guruna. Dirgham.
Yeah. Guruna.
Guruna. Okay. If it is father, Pitru Shabda. Rukaranta.
Pitruna.
No.
Pitruna, pitrena.
Hey.
Are? Pitra.
Pitrana.
Pitra.
Oh, there is no na then.
Pitra saha gacchami. If it is matru,
Mat, mat,
Atas.
matra.
Ra.
That's it. Matra.
so there is no mata in Sanskrit?
Mata is a eka prathama vibhakti ekvachanam. Mata
Oh, that's different.
asti. Mata pachati. Mata likati. With mata matra. Now chaturthi. What is chaturthi vibhakti?
For.
For. Okay. When you are giving something to somebody, completely
Ramaya.
going from my side to others. Rama.
Ramaya.
Aya.
Very good. Ramaya. Tell me some sentences like Ramaya.
Ramaya namami.
Ramaya namami. Ramaya vandanam. Ramaya bhojanam. Ramaya pushpam. Ramaya phalam. Ramaya karyam. Ramaya geetam.
Keshavaya namami.
Keshavaya. Okay. Keshavaya. Keshavaya kim? Keshavaya vastram. Keshavaya bhojanam. Keshavaya phalam. Okay. If it is, if you like,
Keshavaya
Brahma.
phalam.
Hmm?
Keshavaya phalam is an incomplete sentence, right?
Keshavaya phalam. The fruit is for Keshava.
Keshavaya phalam dadati? No.
If you are giving it, Keshavaya phalam dadami. If
Okay.
someone is giving it, Keshavaya phalam dadati.
Okay, okay.
Okay. If it is Brahma,
Brahmena, Brahmaya.
Brahmana.
Brahmana.
Brahmane. Brahmane namah. Brahmane. Next. If it is Gauri,
Gaurye.
Gauriya. Gauriya.
Shyamji is right. Gauryai.
Right.
If it is Parvati,
Parvatyai.
very good. Parvatyai, very good. Rama,
Ramayai.
Ramayai namaha, Ramayai dadami. If it is Bharya, now you tell me, you will tell without mistakes. Bharya.
Bharya.
See, Bharyas are listening. Please don't tell mistakes, sir. If it is Rama, Ramayai, Bharya,
Bharyai.
Bharyayai, that's it. Bharyayai. Okay. Panchami.
From.
From.
Ramat.
Okay. Ramat swikaromi. Gramat agachami. Gramat. Mandala shabda. Mandalad. Rashtra shabda.
Rastrat.
Desha shabda.
Deshat.
Deshat. Bharata deshat. Agachami. From. Okay, if it is Krishna.
Krishnat.
Very good. If it is Sita.
Sitayaha.
Sitaya.
Remember, Panchami and Shashti are same in Strilinga.
Yeah.
Sitayaha. From Sita. Sitayaha. From Sita. And Sitayaha of Sita.
From
Both are there. Please remember. Okay. If it is, I am coming from Ganga. How to tell it?
Gangayaha.
Sentence. I am coming from Ganga.
Aham Gangayaha gachami.
Gangayaha gachami. I'm going from Ganga. Is it a right sentence?
Agachami.
Agachami.
Gangayaha.
Snananantaram agachami.
Uttamam. It's a beautiful sentence. Snananantaram. Agachami. Snananantaram aham Gangaya agachami. Tell me, I am the son of Ganga.
Aham Gangayaha putraha.
Aham Gangayaha
Putraha.
putraha.
Bhishmana.
Okay. Aham Gangayaha putraha Bhishmaha. You told a dialogue now. Aham Gangayaha putraha Bhishmaha.
Bhishma namaha or what is?
Okay, Bhishma iti.
Bhishmayati.
Or Bhishma nama.
Namayati.
Nama. Uttamam. What is Shashti? Rama.
Ramasya.
Tell me some sentence about Ramasya. On Ramasya.
Ramasya is off, right?
Off belongs to Rama's apostrophe S.
Idam Ramasya Chitram.
Idam Ramasya Chitram. Idam Ramasya Deshaha. Ayam Ramasya Deshaha. Abhi.
Hanuman Ramasya Bhaktaha.
Uttam. Hanuman Ramasya Bhaktaha. Idam Ramasya Kakshya. Etad Ramasya, natad Ramasya. Idam Syamasya Yantram.
So if I want to say Bharat is Rama's brother, can I use this?
Bharataha
Ramasya Bhratru.
Bhrata.
Bhrata.
Bharataha Ramasya Bhrata. Bharataha Ramasya Bhrata. Any other? Datswami. Today, why is Datswami so silent?
I'm just listening. Okay. Sita Ramasya Patni.
Uttamam. Anyad. Vasudha Mata. She's so happy today.
You didn't ask her any questions.
That's why
Yeah,
she's so
that's
happy.
true.
She's so thankful today.
Yeah.
And Mr. Venkat Ramakrishnan, you didn't ask him also.
Yeah, Venkat Ramakrishnan ji, are you there in the class?
I am. I'm listening.
Yeah, you are listening. Tell me something sentence about Ramasya, Shashti belongs to.
This is an area I'm really weak.
No, Swami, we are all month. You are just a week. Okay. Ramasya putraha.
Lavakushaha.
Ramasya putraha, son of Rama. Ramasya putrau, Lavakushau. Didya vibhakti.
Lavakushav.
Swami, tell me something about Ramasya. Belongs to Rama. Ramasya.
Dasharatha Ramasya Pitah.
Dasharatha Ramasya pita.
Pita.
Okay, Uttamam. Venkat Ramakrishnan ji, form any sentence about Ramasya. Think you are Rama and just think about a thing belongs to you and tell that Ramasya kalam, Ramasya pustakam, Ramasya desham, Ramasya patni, Ramasya putraha, Ramasya jalam.
Ramasya Radam.
Ramasya radham.
Ramas.
Dhanas.
Ayodhya Ramasya Janmabhumi.
Ayodhya, not Visarga. Ayodhya. Prathama Bhakti Ekvachanam Strilingam. Ayodhya. Ramasya Janmabhumihi. Uttamam. Venkat Ramakrishnan ji, anything like this? Think.
Sita Ramasya Patnihi.
I already told that. So don't.
Oh, you did? Okay.
Something new. Who is Ravana?
Ramasya Vairi.
Vairi. Venkat Ramakrishnan ji, try any other word. Ramasya. Ravanaha Ramasya.
Ramasya Dhanusya. Dhanu.
Shatruhu.
Shatruhu. Okay.
Okay, tell me about Sugriva. Who is Sugriva to Rama?
Friend.
Mitraha.
Mitraha.
Mitram. Napumsakalingam. Mitram is always a Napumsakalingam Shabda.
Oh,
Mitram.
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 Sugrivaha Ramasya Mitram.
Mitram.
Uttamam.
Ramasya Banam.
Ramasya Banam. Uttamam. What is the Dhanush of Rama? What is the Dhanush called? Rama's Dhanush.
Kodandam.
Kodandam. Very good. Kodandaha.
Kodandarama.
Kodandarama. Okay. What about Saptami Vibhakti?
Rame.
Rame. If it is Krishna.
Krishna.
Krishna. Very good. Krishna. Okay. If it is Sita.
Sita.
Sitayam.
Sitayam. Sitayam. Okay, what is Ganga?
Gangayam.
Very good. Gangayam. Tell me some sentences on Sitayam. Okay, Rame. Grame. Aham grame asmi. Aham grame asmi. I'm in the village. Tell me something about where you are. Aham.
Gruhe Asmi.
Uttamam. Aham gruhe asmi. You followed the fast, easiest thing. Okay, next people are typical. Next. Narayan Bhaji. Aham karyalaya asmi. Uttamam. Narayan Bhai Mahabhaga.
Aham kakshe asmi.
Kakshya is a Strilinga Shabda.
Kaksham asmi.
If it is Strilinga Shabda, what it should be?
Kakshayam.
Kaksha.
Uttamam. Aham Kakshyayam asmi. Uttamam. Next, Bhikshapati Mahabhaga. Bhavan kutrasi?
Aham Gruhayam Asmi.
Gruham is a Napumsakalinga. Gruhe asmi, Pumlinga, Saptami Bhakti Ekvacham. Gruhe asmi. Aham America Deshe asmi. Aham Devalaye asmi, Saptami.
Aham gruhe karyalaya kakshayam asmi.
Gruhe karyalaya kakshayam is fine. Okay. Gruhe karyalaya kakshayam asmi. Uttamam. Anyad. Vasudha Mata. Aham bharyadhina asmi.
What does that mean?
Okay. Anyad. Aham bharyayaha adhine asmi. Adhine saptami. Next. Aham alochane asmi. Aham
Kapim Vrikshe Asti.
Kapihi Vrikshe Asti. Uttamam. Atyuttamam. Kapihi Vrikshe Asti. Uttamam. Okay, remove aham. Keep something. Ramaha Mandire Asti. Uttamam. Ganga Bharatadeshe Asti.
Uttara Bharatadeshe asti.
Mississippi.
America deshe asti.
Uttamam. Nile Nadi.
Egypt deshe asti.
Deshe asti. Uttamam. Sindhu.
Bharat Deshe Asti.
Pakistan deshe asti.
Bharat Deshe Nasti Mahabhaga.
Pakistan deshe asti.
Asti. Uttamam. So this is Saptami Bhakti. So from now onwards, whenever you try to form a sentence, please remember these vibhaktis and try to tell. Try to write without mistakes. Okay. Keyboard.
A couple of questions, Acharya ji.
Please,
One
Swami.
is, yeah. When I'm talking to you and addressing as Bhavan, okay. For example, if I'm asking, where are you going? It should be in a third person or second person. Is it Bhavan Kutra Gachasi or Bhavan Kutra Gachati?
In modernized Sanskrit Bharati teachings, they deleted Dvitiya, like second person, and Divachanam. That's why in few cases it will be in third person only. But actually there are different persons to ask. Aham Kutra Asmi is a question. Bhavan Kutra Asi. If I'm talking to you, Narayan Pai Swami, Mahabhaga Bhavan Kutra Asi. Where are you?
Okay.
If I'm speaking about Shyamji to you, Mahabhaga Bhavan Kutra Asi, Shyam Mahabhaga Kutra Asti. Is there a difference about second person and third person?
Yeah.
If I ask the same question, Narayan Mahabhaga Tvam Kutra Asti, Shyam Mahabhaga Kutra Asti, what is the difference here?
Kutra Asti is in third person. Asi is second person.
Where is the second person here if I ask you the same Asti? So if you are asking to somebody to whom you are looking at, you should use Madhyama Purusha. Bhavan Kutra Asi, Tvam Kim Karoshi, Yuyam Kutra Gachanti, Yuyam Madhuram Gayanti, Tvam Ati Madhurataya Bhashanam Karoshi. So this should be there when you are talking to somebody.
When do you use Bhavan?
Bhavan is when I'm asking to you, talking to you.
Is that respectfully or?
Yeah, it's Bhavan is respectfully.
Okay. Yuyam is like regular, right?
Yuyam is about Bahuvachanam.
Plural you.
You all.
Bahuvachanam Yuyam.
Yuyam.
Neeru.
Yeah. And other thing is, what is the difference between Dadati and Dadati? Is there a difference? What is the difference in the meaning?
Dadati.
Yeah.
Dadati is only there. Dadati, I don't think it is there, Swami.
No, okay. There is in the book I read. There are both words are there, Dadati and Dadati.
No,
I don't know the
maybe
difference
there
in
may
the
be
meaning.
a printing mistake. Dadati in which the Dirgha might have missed in it.
Okay.
Okay. Swami, now I'm just sharing some screen to you. Can you see the screen now?
Yeah.
So this is Sanskritam keyboard, Swami. When you want to write Rama, Ra, A, ma.
Yeah.
If you want to do itsanya, like, then this is there. In actual English, it is D. D is itsanya.
So how did you get this keyboard?
No, it's on-screen keyboard. It will be there in every computer.
Really?
Yes, in every computer there is a by default Sanskrit language and by default Sanskritam keyboard. By default Telugu language and by default Telugu keyboard. I appreciate Microsoft for this. In 2008, I found this in
So
every
it's not
keyboard.
an Apple computer.
You should
I
type
think-
on-screen keyboard.
Yeah, I think they put it as a Hindi keyboard because when it gives word options, it gives-
Devanagari keyboard.
I know
Sanskrit.
that is so, but they made it for Hindi because the word option it gives typically are Hindi words.
No,
When you
if
put
in
it,
Hindi there are different letterings and different things. Itsanya will not be there in Hindi.
I just saw even in Apple iPhone it is there, Sanskrit keyboard.
Yes, it is there.
Wow.
How
I
do
didn't
you
know that.
enable this, Acharya? I couldn't find a way to enable this.
Which one?
This keyboard.
Just type on-screen keyboard in search pad.
Okay.
In search tab, type on-screen keyboard. Okay. And if you install in languages, control panel, if you install languages, you can install English and Telugu and Hindi, etc. Just Alt and Shift, it turns to Sanskrit. See here, I have only Sanskrit, Telugu and English. 3 keyboards are used generally. So I type. So if I add, if I touch Alt and Shift, Telugu, English, Sanskrit. This will change. 3 languages. So in Sanskritam, Swami, just check. If you want to type Madhya, first Ma, click Ma, immediately touch the Shift key, then you can find the, then again, when you type D, it by default it will go to normal position. Ma, Shift, the, it will come to normal position. That is D. Madh, then
Madha.
Ya, Madhya. I want to show you in a practical way. Okay. Able to see the screen, Swami? My computer,
Yeah.
able to see the typing keyboard?
No.
not the typing keyboard, no.
No, it should be seen. It's like it's not coming. Only one thing can be shared. Okay, that's okay.
When I do that, it's giving me like Madhaya.
Madha, and immediately you should type D. Ma, Dha, Shift D. No, it comes. It not comes. Ma, Shift
Dha.
O becomes the. Madha, immediately D. It becomes Itsanya. Then type the question mark. That is Ya, Madhya.
Oh, I see. I got it.
So add D as Itsanya. Itsanya. When you add D, for example,
So-
Lakshmana.
So it's not kind of intuitive. You have to use these tricks to get there.
Just simple. Lakshmana, La, Kshma, Ka, Itsanya, Sha. It becomes Ksha. And again D, Lakshma, Ma, Lakshma, Na. If you just D, remember the D as Itsanya in keyboard.
But I'm not seeing all the letters on the keyboard, right?
No, you get all the letters without shift, with shift. Without shift, all normal itsanyas will come like I, U, Ru, etc. Vowels and normal letters. With the shift, you can see direct letters of A, I, U without matra and stressful letters. Every letter you can see with shift and without shift.
I see. Lakshmana. Lakshman.
Lakshman.
Yeah, I'm just trying it, so I was able to get it there. Yeah.
That's it. It's easy. Once, just twice you practice, you get it. Okay, Swami. Today's homework this week. Looking at your abilities and capacities, I'm increasing a little more. I want every day 7 sentences with 7 vibhaktis.
Thali, Bhakshya.
Strilinga, Napusakalinga.
Anything, Swami.
Using 7 vibhakti.
Only 7 sentences every day. 7 vibhaktis.
Every day 7, total 7.
Every day 7. Swami. Vasudha Mata will be very happy if it is 7 in a week.
No, Acharya Mahodaya.
Uchetam.
You should say one per vibhakti every day.
That's what I said. Now 1 per vibhakti, 7 vibhaktis every day.
But if you say 7, it sounds large.
Oh, okay. Yeah. You are right. You are right. 1 sentence in every vibhakti. Gender, any gender it may be.
Yeah.
So one
Any
day
context it may be.
One day Pullinga, one day Strilinga, other day Napusakalinga. That way we learn the difference.
Okay, then no problem. One day, first day Pumlinga, Strilinga, Napumsalinga, followed remaining other 3 days also Pumlinga, Strilinga, Napusalinga. That's it. Good.
One day holiday.
Okay, one day. Sunday is holiday. Sunday holiday, Swami. Granted. You don't need to work on homeworks on Sunday.
Yeah. Acharya this week I'm going out of town. So next Sunday for 1 class, I may not be able to attend.
No problem. If you do homework daily, no class is okay, Swami.
So that means double homework.
So when you have a phone in your hand, you can work with the phone now. Like when you are just doing something and write the sentences. Write
Double
the sentences
homework.
when you have time. Only post when the thing is completed every day.
Yeah, we will not be there too, I think, next Sunday.
Mata,
We will not be there next Sunday.
is it so?
Yeah.
Okay, complete. I think it is a mass bunk. Shyamji may tell that I got some work on Sunday.
We have the vaccine appointment that day.
Daji will tell I have some appointment of doctor next Sunday.
I
I think we might have planned together. Next week we are not going to conduct class at all. So we'll some reasons we'll just tell.
We have vaccine appointment next week.
Okay, Mata. We can't deny you, you know. Okay, Swami. The homework is done. Homework is told. Daji, you are talking something.
Yeah, I have no appointments. I'm all for Sanskrit.